Today our the new topic is your cavity resonator. In this cavity resonator, we have seen in the low frequency, means the frequency is below your microwave frequency range. We use a resonance circuit that is used as a lump network. Means lump network means L and C are used to particular frequencies by this one relation. Means resonance circuit are in the low frequency is this one circuit. This is your resonance circuit in a low frequency. Means particular frequency is producing by this one, means particular frequency is also tuning this one. This is your resonance circuit. Now in the microwave frequency, the use here a cavity formation by using your rectangular and circular cavity. Means cavity means we have seen the rectangular waveguide is such like your, this is your rectangular waveguide. That consider this is your diagram of rectangular waveguide. Means this is your front sided area, means this is consider input side, this is your output side. This is your top of your walls, this is your bottom of walls, this is your side of walls. Now cavity means now both sided open, means front and this is the back sided is open, means consider your this is your input and this is your output. Means rectangular waveguide is both sided open. Now this open ended, now plate we put a plate, metal plate, means this form a we have put a plate, also other in form we have put a plate. Now this is a complete box form. This is called as a cavity. And resonator means when particular frequency is resonate, means particular frequency is producing or particular frequency is tuning, that is called as a resonance, as a resonator. Means cavity is the formation of your hollow space in the closed form, that is called cavity. Resonance means particular frequency is producing or particular frequency tuning by this one of cavity. One of the best example your frequency meter is your circular cavity resonator. You to see here what happen in a cavity resonator, also explained in the theoretical form is to see here. When one ended of waveguide is terminated in a sorting plate, already to see here sorting plate means this is your rectangular waveguide, this is your consider front side, this is your back sided, means two sided open form. Now how to form a cavity, this is a written here, waveguide is terminated in sorting plate, or other form we use here as a metal plate. There will be reflection and a standing wave pattern is formed, and another side is also plate is kept at a distance of multiple of lambda g by 2. Then a hollow space is formed and can support a signal which is bounce back and forth between two sorting plates. The conclusion of this one to see here, this is your rectangular waveguide. Now sorting plate, what is here means this is a open ended. Now we put a sorting plate. Sorting plate means we have put a metal plate which is form a complete a box, means this is a open sided, now we a close, now close in the form of metal, we put a metal in the front sided, also we put a metal in this sided, now we complete a box. This is a hollow space form. This is your side arm, this is your side arm, this is already closed, this is your top of rectangular waveguide, this is your bottom, this also your closed. Now this is a completed box form. This is a hollow space. Now dimension is to see here. This is your width, this is your height, and one of the your length. This is your considered length. Now one of the important property to resonance is here the multiple of lambda g by 2. The distance is here, consider your distance is, use here symbol as d, means this distance is the multiple lambda by, means guided wavelength is lambda g by 2, means this one your lambda g by 2, means this length is multiple lambda by 2, means for proper resonance this term is used here. The multiple of lambda by g2 is used for resonance. This is also diagram, so is the multiple reflection, means when the wave is propagated inside your rectangular cavity, multiple reflection is happen, means a standing wave pattern is formed. You to see here, this is your standing wave pattern formed inside your rectangular cavity. Now this is rectangular cavity is performed very well when multiple of lambda j by 2 distance is used here. What happens when the signal is inside your cavity resonator? This is a signal is which is bounces back and forth between two sorting plates, means this inside your wave is bouncing back and forth between, means inside your wave pattern, standing wave pattern is formed and particular frequency is resonance. These are your cavity resonator. Similar fashion your low frequency resonance. Here use a lumped element, means L and C. Here use a as a rectangular cavity, means as a hollow space. Inside this is a hollow space and a standing wave pattern is formed, and this length is multiple of lambda g by 2. This is your rectangular cavity. Generally two types of cavity, rectangular cavity and next one is your circular cavity. This is your rectangular cavity. In circular cavity is also how the circular cavity is formed. Now the circular waveguide is used. Now this circular waveguide both sided is open. This is also open, this also open. Now sorting plate of both ended, means we put a plate, metal plate of this one. Now other side we also put a metal plate. Now is as a hollow space inside your circular cavity and a box form. This also form a circular cavity. The overall conclusion of your cavity resonator means it is a hollow space as a rectangular form or a circular form by putting a both sided a metal plate, that is form a cavity. The resonator as a cavity resonator. The resonator is also as a cavity resonator. Now move to your next one, which is supported your mode, that is also supported your transverse electric mode, means cavity resonator also supported transverse electric mode and transverse magnetic mode. Here the dimension is included here. This is your width and this is your width, this is your b as height, this is your length is d. Here the suffix used here m, n and p, these are the integer. Also m, n and p, transverse magnetic mode. M and n is a similar fashion is also defined here. This is a m and p are the integer value, means now m represent the number of half cycle with x direction, n represent number of half cycle variation in y direction, p is represented here half cycle variation in z direction, means length side, this is your width side, this is your height side, height according with your p. come out. Okay, to see here the resonance frequency of rectangular waveguide. The resonance frequency of rectangular waveguide, the dimension is come width, height and length. We use a M, N and P. To see here in the rectangular waveguide, we have seen the relation of this one and be arranged in this form, and when the wave is propagated, gamma is equal to j beta. Now put the gamma is equal to j beta in this equation. Now put j beta and on this equation. Now this one added beta square. Now beta square is equal to, here is important term, beta is equal to p pi d. Now this beta is the p pi d. Similar with m pi a n pi b, in this place means beta place, we use a p pi d. D is the length of your resonator. Now similar fashion is also defined. This is a indicate half cycle variation in z direction. Now at a resonance frequency means omega is equal to omega naught, f is equal to f naught, and beta is put in this. Now put this one and arrange in this equation form. Now this will come your resonance frequency of a rectangular waveguide. Now some example of this numerical. To see here, this also is here the free space we have already seen, mu is equal to mu naught and epsilon is equal to epsilon naught. We put here this equation come from, means velocity of c is the velocity of light. To see here one of the simple example, suppose there is a dimension given a, v and d. To find this one of the TE101 of resonance frequency. Now M and N P are given by this one of the relation. Now the values of A and B and D is values given. Now put F in this equation, B solve your F naught value. Okay, next move your resonance frequencies circular cavity resonator. To see here the circular cavity resonator, both sided put up a plate, that is a form a box form whose particular frequency is resonate. A is the radius, D is the length of your or height of your cylindrical. We use already seen the circular waveguide. This is your Pnm upon A, means by the Bessel functions the equation is come from. Now the arrange this one form equation. Now to arrange this one, now one of the term is added here. To see here p pi d, already in the rectangular waveguide also added here. This is your f naught is your resonant frequency of cavity resonator. Now to move next one is your quality factor of cavity resonator. We see in next lecture this one.